Now, what's the point in having this great tangle-free rig if you just throw it into your tackle box and it ties itself in knots? So let's store it the right way while we're at it. This is just a piece of closed cell packing foam that I got from a delivery. I cut it to size, cut a few notches in the ends, and I'll wind up the leader material on it. And just keep this all nice and clean and straight. When we get to the end, it's real simple, man. You take this little barrel swivel and you just push it vertically down into the foam, and there it stays. And we'll just stick these hooks into the foam and keep them from hooking onto anything else. And you got tangle-free storage of your tangle-free rig. So there it is, people.
Yeah.